very close to a tree.
Don't even lie, bro. You saw Bigfoot trying to
Hey man, at this point this is probably a best case scenario. It's only the lead.
Yeah, no, nothing's damaged.
The undertree is scratched, but that's yeah, it did its job.
It's pretty much just
There's no structural damage.
I understeered into the woods. It just yeeted a little too hard. I was exiting and powering out on the exit. The car started understeering. So I lifted and then went wide to try and correct it. And it wouldn't, it's kept understeering after I did that. So it went wider and wider and wider until I was like going to be on the line of like the edge of the road.
Okay.
And then it's still like once we hit dirt, it was done.
Oh yeah, you're following. So how did it feel from your end?
Oh dude, that shit was nuts, dude. I thought we was gonna die, bro.
Shit, that was so scary.